Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this tutorial we will start learning 3D model creation, and for that we have these solid tools, and the first tool is Extrude. Extrude basically allows us to create 3D solid by extruding 2D sketch. It adds depth to open or close sketch profile or face. So if I go to sketch, then select a plane, we need to create a sketch for extrude. I create a circle and exit the sketch and start extrude. Select the sketch and then start extruding. We can change its values, like 150 is the height for this. And on the right side here are some options. This sketch is from profile plane, we can change it. We can offset this. If I give offset value 20, then we can notice that our model is offset from sketch plane. After offset we have object option, we will see it later. Let's keep it offset profile plane, and then over two sides. In the two sides we can give extrude value on the other side also, or we can do like this. We can change the value. Let's say it is 100, and if I go to symmetry, then it will become same on both sides, and 150 for this side and 150 for this side, and it is half length. If I give full length, then it will become 150 from this point to this point. This is complete 150 for whole length. Keep it one side. And our second option in extrude is thin. Thin is basically used to give the wall thickness. Right now it is 1 millimeter. We can change it like 10 millimeter, and this is our wall thickness. After this we have revolve, and revolve basically revolves a sketch profile or planar face around a selected axis. So for that we create a geometry, let's say on right plane, and we can create a sketch like this, and then offset this. Now exit a sketch and then go to revolve. We need to select our profile. Go to profile and select this, and for axis we can choose this axis, and look at this how it creates a revolve shape. If I change this axis to this, then it will create sketch like this. In the next video we will discuss the further tools. So if you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe. Thank you.